Mm-hmm. Pull.
Okay, we're waiting a little too long.
Mm-hmm.
Push this over with your thumb, this way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me show you a little something here.
Mm-hmm.
You got a little bit off balance then, so don't stand like this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
When you shoot, it's going to push you backwards. Set your feet up like this, about as far apart as your shoulders, okay? Up to here. Pull back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Now look right down the barrel. Touch the bird with the bottom with the barrel. Don't shoot over it, okay?
Mm-hmm. Pull. No. Something was wrong.
We moved the safety, okay? So go ahead and okay. Now you're waiting way too long, okay? Like I told your friend, you shoot it when it's still going up.
All right. Pull.
Now.
Good.
Perfect.
A little quicker if you can.
Don't wait too long. As soon as you get the gun on it, shoot it. If you try to wait too long, you're going to lose your concentration and then you won't break it.
Pull.
Okay, you waited a little too long and you shot over the top of it. So when you see the target out there, close the gun up just for a sec. I want you to see the target up here like this, not down here, okay? And you have to keep your cheek tight against the stock here. If you raise your head up, you're going to shoot this much over the top, okay? Look right down the barrel. Bring the gun over here. You know where the bird's going to go, okay? Out there.
Pull.
Much better.
Okay, that's nice. Quick. That's the way you need to do it.
Pull.
Now you got it.
Pull. All right, let's try two.
Oh, you want to try two, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, keep the gun on your shoulder. Be ready for the second bird.
Pull. This is it.
Nothing
That's
to
enough.
it. You can go home as a